Hey guys, welcome to ENlitenThem, and it's me, your host Daniel Chemelo. And for today's tutorial, we'll be doing mainly on craft. I know what is craft. Craft is what you do on your scale, what you can generate, and the main aim of ENlitenThem is to fish out what's hidden inside of you and bring it out and creating a lighter version for you to be able to do it without you wasting resources for you to do it. So for today we're going to do craft, and in craft we'll mainly focus on painting, the basic tutorials on painting, what we're able to do for painting, and so the steps and a quick video on what you can do. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to work on printing on a plain sheet, and we're going to use this small fabric we have here. It was white before and I dyed it green. As time goes on, I'm going to show you how to dye fabrics, changing it color. All this work you see on this table we are actually made by some process, but today we're going to do mainly on printing. I'm going to show you the basics, what you need to bear in mind, and how it goes about. So we have plain fabric here, and we have get our cardboard sheet. So what we really want to do, just get a triangular pattern, just not so catchy, and something that it just feels good in the eye. So we have a cardboard sheet here. So now I'm gonna circle it. Okay, I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to bend it. I don't get the shape well, but I'm going to cut it like that. So we have cut it out. So this is what we're going to have to show here. I'll show it. So we're going to use simple repeat pattern method. So, but before we start, we're going to test run it because the main basics of it. Because to know the pressure we apply, so we're going to use red paint. We're going to open it. Use red paint. Get a little bit, and the paint we are using is water paint, so it can mix it with water, but don't add much, so you don't end up messing up the paint. So now I'm gonna mix it. So now I'm going to pour just a little bit. Okay, now test it on this sheet first. So now that's it. Drop some here, and continue that there. So it's always good to test it on a sheet of paper to know the quantity you use to get what you want and the portion you need. So now, okay, on this, I've seen that I know the quantity I'm going to use. So see how our shape is going to turn out. So now, with our plain fabric here, I'm not going to dab it. So I'm going to get just do a simple pattern. Okay. This thing got messed up here. And hold it. Continuous dabbing. So see that. So we have our red here. So I've done one side. I'm going to scoop another page. ENlitenThem is a platform. So I'm going to dab. You have to avoid stains. You have to be much careful. Dab it carefully. And if you have pin or tape, sellotape, you can use it and hold this thing, so your mesh, so that it won't shift while dabbing in case you're dabbing a large portion. But for today we don't need it because we are shifting this thing more often. So okay, you see it did not turn out well. That's not the pattern. I made a mistake there about. So but every mistake, one wise man always told me that every mistake in art is a design. So this is what we're going to have our this look like after I've done some touch. So now our work is done. And one more thing, if you look under here, I have some stains here because I did not put anything. So in case you're doing your own work and want it to be clean, make sure you put some things under here to prevent these things from coming out. So that's all for today. We have this. So these are this thing. Make sure you like and subscribe.